15 secrets women keep from men. Ladies seem to always have it together, but the truth is women make that extra effort to look like they got everything under control. Aside from pretending that everything's on track, girls also have other things that they keep from men. From shopping expenses and being slobs to being turned on by looking at male body parts, we dish some of women's secrets that they keep from their partners. These secrets are kept, not for purposes of deceiving the male population. Without further ado, here are the 15 secrets that women keep from men. 15. Household chores. Women may not admit it, but seeing their men share the household chores is a turn-on. The girls also feel that men show their love and support when the latter uncomplainingly do their share of domestic chores. Apparently, women may not tell you verbally that they appreciate your housekeeping skills, but they can show their appreciation for you in the bedroom according to this study. 14. Hands and arms. There are lots of things about a man's physical qualities that pique a woman's interest. For some women, the bigger and veinier arms and hands, the more attraction they feel towards the man. Some people even go so far as to say that veins found on a man's hands and arms are an indication of his health and strength. If this is the case, then it is no surprise why women find veiny guys appealing. 13. Romance novels. It's no secret that reading books has its benefits. According to studies, reading fictional stories can increase a person's emotional intelligence and empathy. However, women would rather keep their mouths closed if they are reading romance novels. Some of these romance books feature wholesome content, other titles don't. In fact, some romance novels can get quite steamy. 12. Your new haircut. They say that the hair is a woman's crowning glory. After all, a great haircut can certainly boost a person's self-esteem and self-confidence. Hence, some girls would rather keep their opinion to themselves, instead of risking the possibility of getting your feelings hurt. Would you rather know that your haircut sucks, or would it be better for your girl to pretend that you're rocking your new hairstyle? 11. Comparisons with the ex. Not all relationships are made equal. Some relationships seem like they are plucked right out of a fairy tale, while others could feel like your worst nightmare. Sometimes, these arguments cause some girls to compare their current partners with their previous boyfriends. 10. Being gross. Women love spending time making themselves extra pretty. Girls also have their moments of grossness. Like men, the ladies can also leave their dirty laundry scattered on the floor. Some girls also like sleeping in the whole day wearing the clothes from yesterday. This is probably the reason girls need to know when you're coming for a visit. Give them enough time to hide the dirty laundry, take a shower, shave unwanted hair, and put on makeup. 9. You've made her cry a lot. Everyone knows that women can get too emotional. However, it doesn't mean that your girlfriend is comfortable about letting you know that you've caused her to tear up. Apparently, girls feel that their boyfriends will have some sort of power over them if the guy sees them bawling. The important thing is that you apologize if you know you made a mistake that made your girlfriend cry. 8. Splitting the bill dinner date. Getting to know someone involves going out on dates. The question is, should you pay for everything? However, some ladies feel that the man they are dating are cheapskates if the former are expected to pay for her share. We suggest that you treat the ladies on the first date if you want to impress her big time. 7. Losing the spark. Most, if not all, relationships reach the point when the flame isn't burning as bright as it used to. It could get worrisome, but the ladies will do their best not to bring it up. They'll pretend it's nothing, but they could already be thinking of different ways to spice up the relationship. The best thing to do in this kind of situation is to let your partner know that you still and will always love them. 6. Sharing fantasies. Everyone has fantasies, including your girl. Relax, she doesn't necessarily find your wingman hot. Her imagination is just on overdrive. 5. Crushing on colleagues. It sounds scary if you realize your girlfriend's crushing on her hunky friend from work. However, you have to trust that your woman will not do anything stupid to ruin her relationship with you. She'll keep this secret from you even if she has no plans of pursuing a romantic relationship with her colleague. 4. Weight management. Sometimes, both men and women get too comfortable with their partners that they tend to forget about maintaining their weight. There's nothing wrong with not going to the gym. However, it becomes a bit troublesome if you've really let yourself go. 3. Stalking your ex. Your current girlfriend stalking your ex isn't something new. However, your girlfriend won't admit that she does. In fact, visit your ex's social media accounts to learn more about her. There are lots of reasons why your lover stalks your ex, and the above are just some of the most common reasons. 2. Pangs of jealousy. We think it's safe to say that women find it cute when their boyfriends get jealous of other guys. On the other hand, some guys find it annoying when their girls get jealous of other females. To make things clear, women like subtle hints of jealousy, not the ones that show signs of violence and danger. Boyfriends getting jealous once in a while make women feel that their partners are scared of losing them. 1. Shopping expenses. Women may not admit it, but they love having some time for themselves as well. Girls may look clingy and all, but give them some time alone and she can do so much in so little time. She'll probably shop until she drops, but you'll never know the real value of the things she has bought. It is just that it is much easier to say such things cost cheaper than they actually are, than to defend why she needs to buy a $50 face mask. You may not understand why she needs to buy overpriced items, but to your girl everything is worth it.